Visualize a land where happiness isn't just a goal, it's a way of life, consistently ranked as the happiest country in the world. Where else can you experience 24-hour summer sun, yet plunge into endless winter nights? Life in Finland is a balance of calm and efficiency. While cities hum with activity, there's a laid-back pace with plenty of time for nature, saunas, and family. Work-life balance is key, and though productive, it's not frantic. Finns enjoy tranquility without the relentless rush of busier nations. This dreamlike country is located in Northern Europe. It has a population of about 5.5 million people and covers an area of approximately 338,455 square kilometers, making it the 8th largest country in Europe. Finland is bordered by Sweden to the west, Norway to the north, Russia to the east, and the Baltic Sea to the south. The Finnish passport is among the most powerful in the world, granting visa-free or visa-on-arrival access to over 190 countries. This passport also provides opportunities for residence permits and business establishment in other countries. Finns enjoy a rare freedom of movement that reflects their country's solid global reputation. The sauna is a Finland's steamy gift to the world, dates back over 2,000 years. Originally dug into the ground, these heated sanctuaries became a Finnish ritual for relaxation and cleansing. More than just a wooden room, the sauna embodies Finland's soul, a place where heat, tradition, and tranquility meet in perfect harmony. With over 3 million saunas in Finland, there's more than one sauna for every two people, showing just how ingrained they are in Finnish culture. Many Finns visit the sauna multiple times a week for physical and mental rejuvenation. The saying goes, a house without a sauna isn't a home. Sitting in a sauna, gazing at a snowy landscape, is a favorite way to melt away stress. Both locals and tourists flock to Finland's spas and saunas, keeping their bodies and minds in balance, especially during the harsh winter months when this ritual becomes a source of deep relaxation and well-being. Finland wasn't always a top-rated destination, but it has steadily developed. While other countries have faced internal struggles. For example, it created the global Nokia. Finland also has a city called Nokia, and it's the birthplace of the famous telecommunications giant. The city of Nokia, much like the company, symbolizes Finland's knack for innovation and reinvention. The origins of the Finnish people are a captivating blend of history and migration. Descended from ancient tribes, they are primarily linked to the Uralic language family, sharing roots with Estonians and Hungarians. Over millennia, waves of migration shaped their identity, influenced by the Sami, Baltic, and Nordic cultures. This rich tapestry of heritage is reflected in Finland's unique customs, traditions, and languages, making the Finnish people a fascinating study in resilience and adaptation through the ages. The northern part of the country is called Lapland. Lapland, a breathtaking region in northern Finland, is often associated with enchanting winter landscapes and the real Santa Claus. Nestled within the Arctic Circle, this magical land is home to Rovaniemi, famously recognized as Santa's official village. Here, visitors can meet Santa himself, experience the thrill of dog sledding, and witness the mesmerizing northern lights. Lapland's rich indigenous Sami culture adds depth to the experience, where traditional reindeer herding and folklore intertwine with modern festivities. In this frosty wonderland, the spirit of Christmas is alive year-round, drawing adventurers seeking the true magic of the holiday season. Finland is one of the best places to witness the spectacular northern lights, also known as Aurora Borealis, is nature's dazzling light show, painting the Arctic sky with vibrant colors that mesmerize all who witness it. This celestial phenomenon occurs when charged particles from the sun collide with Earth's atmosphere, creating shimmering waves of green, purple, and red. In Finland, particularly in Lapland, the spectacle is a winter highlight, drawing countless visitors eager to experience its ethereal beauty. As the lights dance and flicker overhead, they evoke a sense of wonder and tranquility, reminding us of the planet's breathtaking mysteries. This captivating display not only enchants the eye but also ignites the imagination, making the Northern Lights a true marvel of our world. The beauty of the Finnish people is as striking and multifaceted as the landscapes that surround them. With a deep connection to nature, Finns often exude an effortless grace, embodying a rugged yet serene elegance. Their distinct features, ranging from piercing blue eyes to sun-kissed skin, reflect a heritage shaped by both the Arctic and lush forests. Yet, it's not just their appearance that captivates, it's their warm-heartedness and genuine kindness that truly define Finnish beauty. A culture steeped in honesty and simplicity, where laughter echoes through cozy homes and friendships are forged in saunas, showcases a beauty that resonates far beyond the surface, revealing a rich tapestry of spirit and character. In Finland, education is structured around a mandatory 9-year system, uniquely devoid of private schools. Students enjoy a more relaxed schedule, typically attending classes for only 3 to 4 hours each day, with a maximum of 20 hours per week. This approach allows for shorter school days and eliminates traditional homework. Instead, students complete assignments during school hours. Remarkably, philosophical and logical thinking courses lay the groundwork before delving into subjects like mathematics and biology, fostering critical thinking from an early age. This refreshing model emphasizes quality over quantity, ensuring a more engaging and holistic educational experience. Finland's education system is a fascinating blend of innovation and tradition, often hailed as one of the best in the world. With a focus on equity and inclusivity, it emphasizes learning rather than standardized testing, fostering a love for knowledge among students. Teachers, revered as highly qualified professionals, enjoy a remarkable degree of autonomy in their classrooms, tailoring lessons to fit the unique needs of their students. Students engage in hands-on, experiential learning, often exploring the outdoors and collaborating on projects that ignite their curiosity. The school day is balanced with ample breaks, allowing for socialization and mental rejuvenation. This holistic approach not only cultivates academic excellence but also nurtures creativity, critical thinking, and emotional well-being. In Finland, education is not just about acquiring knowledge, it's about shaping well-rounded individuals ready to thrive in an ever-changing world. Finland is renowned for its remarkably low crime rates, making it one of the safest countries in the world. The overall crime rate hovers around 1.7 incidents per 100,000 residents, showcasing a society where safety is deeply ingrained in everyday life. Violent crime is especially rare, with fewer than 1,000 reported homicides annually, a stark contrast to many other nations. Finns enjoy a sense of security that allows them to walk the streets freely, fostering a harmonious environment where trust and respect prevail. Finland is adorned with vast expanses of pine forests, covering nearly 75% of its land. These majestic trees play a vital role in enhancing air quality, as they efficiently absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen. Pine trees also trap dust and pollutants, acting as natural air purifiers. The serene ambience of these forests not only contributes to cleaner air but also promotes mental well-being, offering a tranquil escape for both locals and visitors. Finland's commitment to preserving its lush landscapes ensures that these evergreen guardians continue to thrive, fostering a healthier environment for generations to come. In Finland, there is a concept called Aiokamihenokis, or the everyman's right, is a cherished Finnish principle that allows everyone to roam freely in nature. This unique law grants access to forests, lakes, and other natural spaces, enabling activities like hiking and berry picking. It reflects Finland's deep connection to nature and respect for shared resources. Imagine stepping aboard a powerful icebreaker ship slicing through the thick, frozen waters of the Baltic Sea or the Gulf of Bothnia. As the vessel navigates the frigid landscape, you'll witness breathtaking views of glistening ice formations and stunning seascapes. On deck, you can participate in thrilling activities like ice swimming, where brave souls take a plunge into the frigid waters and warm up afterward in a cozy sauna. Guided by experienced crew members, you'll learn about the ship's operations and the fascinating ecosystem beneath the ice. This unforgettable journey combines adventure, education, and a unique glimpse into Finland's winter wonderland, making it a must-do experience for anyone seeking an adrenaline rush amidst serene beauty. Sledding with Siberian wolves, also known as Huskies, is an extraordinary adventure that intertwines thrill and wild beauty. Imagine racing across the pristine, snow-covered landscapes of Finland, harnessed to a team of these majestic creatures. With their striking fur and piercing eyes, Siberian wolves embody the spirit of the Arctic wilderness. As you glide through the frosty air, the wolves' powerful strides create a rhythmic cadence, connecting you with nature in a way few experiences can. Guided by skilled handlers, you'll learn about these incredible animals and their importance in the ecosystem. This unique encounter offers a thrilling blend of adrenaline and tranquility, allowing you to forge an unforgettable bond with the wild as you traverse the serene, snowy expanse together. To visit Finland, you may need a Schengen visa, depending on your nationality. For short-term visits, such as tourism or business stays of up to 90 days within a 180-day period, travelers from many countries must obtain this visa. It grants access to Finland and other Schengen area countries, making travel across Europe seamless and convenient. For long-term stays, typically exceeding 90 days, you'll need to apply for a national visa or residence permit specific to your purpose, such as work or study. It's essential to check the specific entry requirements based on your citizenship to ensure a smooth and enjoyable visit to this stunning Nordic gem. Helsinki is the capital of Finland, is a city where modernity meets tradition, offering a captivating blend of cultural experiences and stunning architecture. Nestled along the shimmering Gulf of Finland, it boasts a picturesque waterfront, bustling harbors, and lush green parks that invite exploration. The city's design is a testament to Finnish ingenuity, featuring a harmonious mix of neoclassical buildings and contemporary masterpieces like the striking Udi Library and the Tempeljoki Church, carved into solid rock. Helsinki is also a cultural hub, home to numerous museums, galleries, and festivals that celebrate everything from music to art. As you wander through its charming streets, you'll discover an eclectic mix of cafes, shops, and vibrant markets, all infused with a distinctive Scandinavian flair. Helsinki's lively atmosphere, combined with its rich history and commitment to sustainability, makes it an unforgettable destination that enchants both locals and visitors alike. Finland does experience relatively high rates of depression, often attributed to its long, harsh winters and lack of sunlight. The phenomenon known as seasonal affective disorder, SAD, affects many during the dark months, leading to feelings of melancholy and isolation. Additionally, societal pressures and the emphasis on perfectionism can contribute to mental health challenges. However, Finland also prioritizes mental health care, with extensive support systems aimed at helping individuals navigate these difficulties and promoting overall well-being. Concerns about a potential conflict with Russia have heightened tensions in Finland, particularly in light of historical conflicts and recent geopolitical shifts. The Finnish government remains vigilant, fostering a strong national defense and maintaining mandatory military service for citizens. In response to the evolving security landscape, Finland has increased military cooperation with NATO and other Western allies, conducting joint exercises and sharing intelligence to bolster preparedness. Additionally, public awareness campaigns focus on emergency preparedness, ensuring citizens are equipped with knowledge on how to respond in crisis situations. This proactive approach reflects Finland's resolve to safeguard its sovereignty while navigating the complexities of regional security.